Hello YouTube. So today I'm going to show you how to install Ionic in the most easiest way. Now before starting to install Ionic, you need a couple of applications, especially Node. And if you are going to develop native iOS and Android apps, you need to have Xcode and Android Studio installed beforehand. Now let's start with Node.js installation. Go to nodejs.org and there you will find these links. Install the latest node version. You'll have to let it download, and once it's downloaded you need to install it, and then we can proceed further. You also need to know a little bit about terminal. So if you are a developer, you probably know about this. If not, then this is where you'll use the commands to install the node globally. Now moving forward, let's go to Ionic website. Now node is downloaded, so let's install it first. We double tap, the installer is coming in. So this is basically uh, you need to provide permission for it. So let's provide permissions for it. Go to user preferences, go to the security section, and you'll see node package here. Open it, do the standard install, continue, agree with terms and conditions, install. This is installing. Meanwhile, let's have a look at the Ionic framework website. So you see here, let's go to Ionic framework. Here you'll see the introduction and the installation part. We have node installed. To confirm that you have node installed, write this command node v. This would show you the version of node installed, and you can similarly check npm v as well, which will show you the package manager version, node package manager. So now simply for installing Ionic, before you proceed with the Ionic installation, there is one more thing that you need to install, and that is Cordova. Write this command and click enter. It would install Cordova on your machine. We have this error. This is because the permission is not allowed. It has some access problems. So for this, you need to run this command with sudo. Give in your password, and now it would install. I will have all these commands provided in the description for you. Now we have Cordova installed, so let's check that Cordova is installed globally. Write Cordova v. This is up to you if you want to allow the statistics to be reported. So now we have the Cordova installed. With Cordova installed and node installed, there's only one thing left, and that is to install Ionic itself. Simply copy this command and now run it with sudo. This command would run. We will have Ionic installed after this. So now we have our Ionic installed as well. Let's start an application. Go to desktop, write Ionic start. When we click Ionic start, when we enter it, it will need to give access for the desktop folder, project name, enter a name. You can have the Angular application or you can have the React application. Let's go for Angular for now. Now there are default templates available: tabs template, side menu template, blank template, or your conference app and first app. Let's go with the tabs application for now. This would download the basic template, install the packages required, and after that we will simply have to run, and we'll have Ionic set up completely. Once again, it's up to you to share the analytics. For now, let's skip them. Now we have the test project ready. Let's go into the directory, and we simply have to run the command Ionic serve. With that, our application will build and it would just pop up. And there you have it. the easiest way to install Ionic. The application is ready. I hope this video was helpful and informative, and it would help you set up your Ionic in no time at all. Until next time, peace.